you about marital theory, which is proposed by Mary and Fitz Patrick. First, what is marital theory mean? Marital theory, from the word itself marital, which means the relationship between two married couple, to the state of marriage, until to the rights, duties, and authorities of the couple. This theory suggests that married couple tend to cluster into three distinct groups. Along this dimension, the traditional, the independent, and the separate marriage. Mary Ann Fitzpatrick. Mary Ann Fitzpatrick is the founding dean of the College of Arts and Sciences at the University of South Carolina. Her primary focus was on the communication process in the marriage and the family. Her book Between Husband and Wife on 1988 remains one of the most important book written on its subject. There are multiple parts of this theory. The first one was axiologically, which means the behavior still takes place regardless of the values. And the second one was the ideology, which means the theory says that it doesn't necessarily need to define a good or a bad marriage. What is best? It depends on the needs of the couple. According to this theory, there are three types of marriage. The first one was the traditional type of marriage. This means that the couples would have a strong interdependence and share much companionship. Means both partners are happy with their roles, perform them well, and feel respected by their partners.
Ange, will you marry me?
Yes.
Marami ang nagtaka nang sila'y nagmahalan. Mas marami ang nagduda kung sila ay tatagal.
Second was the independent type of marriage. Independent behavior is the most common problem of the marriages because we tend to do whatever makes us happy. Even when it makes our husband or wife feel unhappy, all we feel is the pleasure gained from activities that are only in our best interest.
Go, Pawi! Go! Go!
Ayos! Sige, sige. Ikaw cheerleader ko. Alam mo, napakasaya ko dahil andyan ka.
But when his dreams became more than she could take,
Yes! Mayaman na ako! Okay naman tayo, di ba? Medyo busy nga lang.
Wala namang iba importante sa'yo kundi ang pera mo eh. Ang iniisip mo lang yung sarili mo. Napaka-selfish mo.
she wanted love more than he could give.
Si Agnes, she kept asking for more.
Ilang beses mo na ba tinex? Hindi ko alam. Mga 10 times?
Tapos nagtataka ka kung bakit napikon?
When a
The third one, the separates. They may have fairly conventional view of marriage, but they are not very independent and do not share much. This type of problem may occur if the both sides clashes together and cannot be resolved anymore. But it depends upon the situation if they can solve or not.
when a relationship is bound to end,
Ayaw niya na po sa akin. Ang sakit-sakit.
will you fight for it and stay?
Galit ka pa ba sa akin? Huwag ka nang magalit sa akin, please.
Or will you choose to walk away?
Ikaw na naman ang martir. Kasalanan ko na naman to.
Dinadala-dala mo ako sa mga social mong kaibigan tapos...
Agnes, hindi lang tayong dalawang tao sa mundo!
For me, marital theory was an explanation of marriage, define or talks about marriage, or what will happen if you're already married, and talks about two persons that being together. In accordance of this theory, marriage can be categorized by the following. First, how partners use their space, time, and energy. Second, the extent to their feelings, which they can express their feelings. Third, exertion of power. Fourth, the common philosophy of marriage.
Today, I'm going to interview this lovely couple who will tell us about their experiences in their marriage life. First question, what are the things you've experienced that you can share with us as being a married couple?
Well, actually, we've been just married last February, but we've been together for quite some time now, like 6 years and 5 years. And I can say that it's been quite an experience having her as my wife, because all those years and these past few months since we've been married, it's been a rocky start, but well, ano lang talaga yung pagkakasundan ninyo, yung kayo mag-umpisa, then yung smoothness ng relationship will follow. Okay naman, praise God dahil we are stronger now. Tulad yung una, sabi ko nga, medyo rocky, pero ngayon, we're more stable.
What are the advices you can give with our teenagers, married couples, or older people?
Advices. Sa mga couples, dapat kasi talaga ang center niyo si God. Ang first love niyo si God. Kasi kung ang first love niyo is yung asawa ng babae o asawa ng lalaki, hindi kayo magsasucceed. Talagang kailangan yung love nasa center si God. Kasi without him, walang peace, walang joy.
And my advice to the youngsters out there, do not rush into things na balang araw i-regret mo lang, especially when coming into a relationship. It's okay siguro to have boyfriends, girlfriends, but do not rush into things like going into premarital sex or anything like that. Kasi marami sa society natin ngayon ang nagsisi, nasira ang buhay dahil sa mga spur of the moment decisions na dapat sana napag-isipan nila ng maayos, i-reserve nila yung sarili nila. We've been hearing many things about early pregnancies, when sana na-preserve nila yung sarili nila. Madalas nga natin naririnig na it's your perfect gift para sa iyong makapag-asawa, yung fullness, yung virginity, yung preservation. So, advice ko sa mga youngsters ngayon, huwag masyado magmadali, i-enjoy nyo lang yung youth ninyo. You wouldn't want to see yourself na nag-aalaga ng baby at your prime age, di ba? Mas maganda yung may enjoy nyo yung
Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Gonzalez, for sharing your experiences. We hope for the best to your family, and once again, thank you and God bless.